got some Bacopa. I'll show you the individual pieces. Here's a little bit of root. These turn into flowers, only if above water. Otherwise, it just kind of stays like this. These were grown out of water originally, so their leaves were a bit different, and are different. They're kind of tall. They grow bent like this because my water level isn't high enough for them. So we're going to trim them. When they were cut here, and I pulled off some leaves, and the bottom piece here melted, but then this piece grew the roots. And so they'll all grow roots like this once you tear off those leaves. So here, we've got a little root. You can kind of see. So we'll tear the leaves off there. And I just kind of pull them. And I'll pull this little flower guy off too. And then, I like to just snap them. Kind of break it with my fingers. We didn't actually separate the root off, but that's okay, because it's got more roots up here. It doesn't really matter anyway. But since it has so many roots up here, there's some right here too, you can see. We'll pull these little leaves off too, because it's even got roots down here on this one that you can kind of see. You don't have to get the whole leaf. The rest of it will just kind of melt off. But here we have an old Bacopa stem, and that'll keep growing another tall part, and it might even grow a side plant. And then we have a new one ready to be planted. And so now, out of these 3 strands, we'll get 6. If not more, because I might split this one into 3. Cut a piece up here, just have this as my start, have a middle starter, and then keep my bottom. I'm going to take this leaf off though, and get some more feeder roots growing here. But I'll probably split this one in 3, and then this one will be split in 2. There you go. That's kind of... You can basically do this with most stem plants, a lot of stem plants, and a lot of plants in general. When you tear their leaves off, their segments, they'll either sprout a totally new branch, or with aquatic plants, they usually start rooting. So even Anacharis and plants like Ludwigia and other plants like that will eventually grow more roots. Sometimes Anacharis takes a little while to establish itself, and so you might not see new growth or new root growth for a while. But eventually, once it gets going, people say it grows like a weed, like water wisteria does. It's a crazy plant, and so is water wisteria, that it grows so fast under the right conditions. I hope you enjoyed learning how to propagate your Bacopa and other stemmed plants. I'll also be making other videos about probably chain val, Sagittaria, when to pull your Java fern babies, and a few other plants. Bye for now.